Multinational Corporation. GFMA 3083. Online Exercise Group 7. Consortia and Network Company MOTA-ENGIL.
Background of MOTA-ENGIL. In 2000, the MOTA family acquired ENGIL, merged MOTA-AMP, CLA and ENGIL. In the last 15 years MOTA-ENGIL has grown more than 9 times outside Portugal. MOTA-ENGIL is a Portuguese multinational company with presence in Europe, Africa, and Latin America. In Portugal MOTA-ENGIL is the leader in the construction sector, port operations and waste management. The company has operations in 3 continents and over 28,000 employees with 45 different nationalities working in 20 different countries.
Reason of MOTA-ENGIL to enter a foreign country? Angola, Africa. MOTA-ENGIL planning to expand its business to Angola, Africa due to several reasons. Africa has high growth prospects especially in engineering and construction, EAMP-C. The retraction of the engineering and construction, EAMP-C, sector in Europe. The exponential growth that occurred in Africa. Africa is a continent with shortage in infrastructures. Why the company prefer to use this entry strategy? The benefits gain. A consortium is a common strategy used by construction companies, where several companies combine to provide buildings or structures as a complete contract, or as part of a contract to provide services to government acting as client on behalf of the public. The following are the reasons and benefits of using this strategy. 1. The risk. When entering the African continent, this is considered a high political risk. The consortium is MOTA-ENGIL's choice to ensure certain support between partners. It may help to reduce the risk when entering the market and could establish a pooling of risk. 2. The investment. Large-scale projects require a lot of resource investment. Not only one company has the ability to invest. The solution found by the group is together with other specialized firms, create a strong consortium to combine financial, physical and know-how resources and share risks. 3. The flexibility. This consortium was chosen because it does not mean that a legal entity was formed due to capital investment between the two parts. The consortium works for MOTA-ENGIL as the entrance door in certain countries. The purpose is to absorb local knowledge and try to establish a network of contacts in the receiving country so that they can carry out autonomous activities in the future, which will consolidate the market position and increase the flexibility level options of the selected customers. 4. The dimension. When a competitive project has a relatively large scale which occurs in the international market and requires a huge investment, the most common is that the group attempts to compete for work contracts with consortia. It tries to complete the project with other companies with extensive experience and necessary technical capabilities.
Issues faced by MOTA-ENGIL. They have less experience and knowledge of Africa, therefore the ability to obtain funding is lower. Sustainability and environmental issue. The preparation phase for them to focus on environmental sector is complex due to the lack of information. The local staff in Africa are less of training and skills.
How the company managed to solve the problem. Partnership as opportunities. They have established partnerships with international companies from China and Turkey to carry out large-scale projects on many African continents. Due to their larger average size and greater ability to obtain funding, the focus on environmental sector. Develop new opportunities after being granted the contract in Côte d'Ivoire, which will be the group's largest contract in the environmental sector, with the technical support existing in EGF and SUMA. Provide training and spirit of solidarity. Promoting partnerships with universities in the markets, promoting integration and training of local staff, in line with the trainee programs that have been promoted in the group and complemented with on-the-ground vocational training.
Examples of projects or collaborations. Construction of the 4 stadiums for the African Nations Cup was directly granted by the Angolan government.
Thanks for watching.